Hello everyone, I'm Nikita Bhatt, the team leader of Hack Athletes from Graphicera Hill University, Dehradun. We are excited to present our project AI Program Decoder Transforming Code into Clarity. Our team consists of four members, including me, Abhinav Pandey, Niharika, and Akansa Rawat. Today, we will walk you through a significant challenge in software development and maintenance our innovative AI-based solution, demonstrate our working MVP, and discuss how our solution can scale to create a real-world impact. Let me hand it over to Abhinav, who will explain the problem we are addressing.
Thank you, Nikita. The problem we are tackling is deeply rooted in the legacy software systems that lacks the interface of definition language or the proper documentation. Research shows that over 70% of enterprises still rely on legacy systems and 40% face difficulty in data extraction due to inadequate documentation. When developers encounter these systems, they are forced to manually analyze memory dump logs or binary files to understand the data structure and formats, a process that's time consuming, error prone, and inefficient. This manual interpretation creates significant bottlenecks in software development, debugging, and integration processes. Without a clear schema of how data is structured, interoperability between systems becomes challenging, and maintenance requires extensive efforts. These challenges are particularly acute for developers working with legacy code, cybersecurity experts needing to analyze potentially malicious program data, data engineers facing proprietary or undocumented formats. Now, let me pass it to Niharika, who will explain our solution of this problem.
Abhinav. Our solution is an AI-based parser that automatically extract data and convert complex program data into structured JSON format. This approach uses AI, advanced AI to identify pattern in unstructured format and recognize relationship between elements and generate very structured and human-readable format. This approach eliminates the need of manual guessing and interpretation. What makes our solution more innovative is that it provides consistent and readable output without regardless of complex input, and it also processes data with no prior knowledge. And now I hand it over to Akansha, who will demonstrate our working MVP.
These are the major folders in our project, backend and frontend. Inside backend, we have this main.py file. In frontend, we have several components, file upload, which handles the uploaded file that is to be converted in JSON format. JSON viewer is where uh, the resulted file will be seen, the formatted file. Header.js is for header section, and this is for sidebar menu. Uh, this is API documentation of the project, and this is what the front end looks like for now. Uh, let's choose a file, sample.txt from our desktop, and let's process it. We got this JSON output. Let me show you the let me show you how sample.txt looks like. This is what sample.txt is, and this is what we got as output. So that was all in this for now. We can make it more advanced later. For deployment of the project, we are going to use dual deployment approach. That is, for front end, we are going to use Vercel, and for backend, Heroku. And to manage database needs, we will be going to utilize PostgreSQL. That's all for now. Let me pass it back to Nikita.
Thank you, Kansa, for the demonstration. Now let's talk about how our solution scales and its potential impact. Our AI program decoder has been designed with scalability in mind. It can be deployed as a service for organizations with large legacy systems, integrated into development workflows as a plugins for IDs, expanded to support additional output formats beyond JSON, enhanced with domain specific knowledge for specialized industries. In terms of impact, our solution reduces development time by up to 60% when working with undocumented systems, minimizes errors in data interpretation by eliminating manual processes, enables business to extend the life of valuable legacy systems, facilitates smoother integration between old and new technologies. To conclude, the AI program decoder represents a significant step forward in addressing the challenges of legacy system interoperability. It transforms what was once a tedious error-prone manual process into an efficient automated solution that empowers developers, cybersecurity, and professionals and organizations to work more effectively with complex data structures. Thank you for your attention. We are the Hack Athletes team and we are excited about our future of our AI program decoder.